Today we're doing a beef picanha. One of those things from Brazil. Beef picanha, beef picanha. I even called the Brazilian embassy and asked them for help on how I say this. But one thing I do know is every time I go to the Brazilian steakhouse, I love this picanha. So what we're going to do is we've got our Cowboy Grill outside warming up. We're going to cook this over an open flame. So we're going to cook this guy over an open flame. What this is it's really a sirloin cap, and look at that fat. It's probably about 1/4 of an inch thick. We got this from our friends at Wild Fork, and they have some great products online, let me tell you. So what I'm going to do is, this is pretty thick, is I'm just going to score it a little bit. I could trim some of it away, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it. So with it scored, I looked at a bunch of different recipes out there. I've never cooked one of these. Had a barbecue right, just smoked one. It looked delicious. Grill Girl Robin just did one on Instagram and she cut it into steaks. That looked delicious. So I thought we would end up doing this a little bit my way. So in the Brazilian steak restaurants, all they do is take some salt, pour it right over the top. They coat this thing pretty good. So we're going to do the same. But we're going to kick it up a notch. Enough of the salt. We're going to take some of our friend Kinder's The Blend. It's a salt, pepper, garlic mix. Now we're talking. We're going to put this over the top. Look at that. Beautiful. Put some on this side as well. Now we're going to put this back into the refrigerator. We're going to let it sit with this dry rub on it for the next 90 minutes. We are going to cook this on the Cowboy Grill, so we're going to start that probably in about 45 minutes. We'll let that warm up for 45 minutes. We'll get a good bit of ashes going. Then we'll get this guy out there. See you in a few minutes. All right, guys, so our fire's roaring pretty good here. I thought it'd be time for us to go inside, grab our picanha, and we're going to put this right on the grate. We are going to put it fat side down. And we want to get a little bit of a smoke flavor, so we are going to cover it up. That will trap the smoke as it tries to escape here. So we'll come back, we'll check this in a little bit. Alright guys, so picanha's been cooking for about an hour. Let's give it a peek and see how it looks. Oh boy, does this guy look amazing. Boy, is that beautiful. Alright, so we hit a temperature of 135 degrees, so I think it's time to pull this guy off. All right, guys, so we're back in the kitchen in our beautiful picanha. Looks absolutely phenomenal. We let it rest under a piece of tinfoil for the last 15 minutes, and boy, let me tell you, I had all I could do to sit here and not try to cut this guy open and see how we did. So let's go right to the center. Oh, man. Wow. You're gonna have to trust me when I hold up this piece of meat. How beautiful that is. Perfect. That is one amazing piece of meat. Look at that moisture coming off of there. Wow. Okay. That has to be the best piece of meat I think I've ever cooked. Oh my God. That's insane how good that is. Thank you guys. If you liked what you see as much as this fat kid does, click that like button down below, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and if you're new here, thanks for watching. Even if you've been around, thanks for watching. Unbelievable. Wow.